Then I suppose I should show you how to build the hands real quick. And this is no-brainer. This is real easy stuff. Actually, I could turn that back off because that's not going to have any bearing on what we're doing with building these hands. Okay, I'm going to take, let's see, scale those uniform, and scale those uniform. Actually, turn that off and just do this one. Scale uniform, and then I'm just going to extrude. Boy, let's see, let's go in here and let's do this, let's flatten it Y. We can always fix it later. And rotate Y a little bit so we're not too far out. Yeah, that's the easiest way. Okay, and we'll extrude Y. Extrude Y again, and I should extrude it one more time, and then we'll do the fingers. Now I got to show you from here. We're going to slide that one over just a hair, slide this one over just a hair. Now we want to try to make almost a cube out of this. You get to circling around that. Okay. Move. I'm going to say free right here. We'll have to smooth this out a little bit, but okay, then we just take all four of these, and this time when I hit extrude, I'm going to right click on normal. Of course, it had to save right in the middle of when I was doing that. Drag them out, scale uniform, and you see we've started building our fingers. Go like this, G3C, that's going to give us our digit joints. I'm going to kick four of these loop, I'm going to slide them down a little farther, and then we'll take front sides of each one of these, and I'm going to do an inset, that'll start my fingernail. Now to get my thumb, since we went Z, I can just say Y, move, normal, extrude, normal, scale uniform. I'm just going to do 2 on this one. You can do 3, but I don't like to. And then to really kind of set it off, what you want to do is you want to rotate this around and have this side right here be your thumbnail, but you want to rotate that around just a little bit. So I'm going to rotate normal this way, and I'm going to add to my selection and rotate normal. And I don't like the scale of these. Should be more of a square. I should wait for that too. And then I'm going to show you this cute little function called set default access and point. And what that's going to do is going to allow me to use Wings 3D to pose this model What happened? Oh. I can rotate on that default axis that I just set. I could just reset the point over here, and you can actually go with just one line. That'll probably work. And then I can take this and rotate on that default axis again, and that'll start getting me a little closer where I want. And because we went on the Z-axis, it makes it real easy to resize our fingers the way we want. Scale uniform, move Y. Uniform, move Y. Now for this low of a subdivision, that's as far as I would go. With your hand. Let me show you a quick smooth preview. Once you smooth it, it's actually going to build a really nice looking hand there, you see. But I wouldn't smooth that by itself. I do it with the rest of the model. You notice I had put in that one loop right in here. Well, the idea here was that I could actually start using part of my model. I want the UV match to be able to be pulled off as clothing and such. If I want to build clothing for my model, I want to be able to just be able to use some of the mesh here to do an extract and then build the clothing like that. See, that'll build a nice hand. And if it's not big enough, which it looks like it's just a hair small, we can, actually I'm going to minus 1. No, I want that in there, I just don't want the edge. Okay. And scale it up just a little bit. And we can do that set default axis again. And actually start putting a little pose on our hand there. See, that actually works out real nice. Looks like it's kind of flat there, but that can be smoothed out. So there it is, Wings 3D Retopo. Then from here, of course, you'd want a UV map. That's easy enough to do because your edges are selectable and loopable, so you can. It's easy enough to do that, and I wouldn't re-UV until you actually add your subdivision. So there it is. From here, you know, UV map, bake your normals, whatever. This is just to show you how you can build your geometry in Wings 3D, and there it is.